Hi Pirates, Mrs. Vincent here. Today we are going to practice adding those whole numbers one more time. So we're really working on getting fluent as being able to add large numbers correctly and accurately each time we try. Okay, you should have already, before watching this video, you should have already done page 65, 66, 67, and 68 in your math book. If you haven't done that yet, stop the video and go back and work those out first. We're going to go over the answers. Okay, on number 1, you should have set it up like this. Okay, so now let's work it out with regrouping. Start at the ones. The 9 plus the 6 is 15. So put your 5, regroup, like that. Now when I add 1 and 8 is 9, 6 more is 15. Put your 5, 1 more. Just like that. Now here, when I think 9 and 9 is 18. I know that already. And 1 more is 19. Regroup. Put your comma in. Then I have 1 and 7 is 8. 6 more is 14. So I had to regroup again. 1, 0, and 8 is only 9. And 4 plus nothing is 4. So the correct answer is 494,955. And man, that was a lot of regrouping. So good job if you got that one right. If not, go back and change your answer, okay? Okay, let's look at number 2. On number 2, don't let it confuse you. Whenever you're doing 3 numbers, stack it up just like you would. Just put another number. The key is lining up your place values. Okay, so now let's work it out together. We have 9 plus 9, I know is 18, because that's a double. That's easy to remember. Then 8 more is 26. So I'm going to put my 6, put my 2, regroup. So this time, guys, you had to regroup a 2 in the tens place. And that is perfectly fine. That's going to happen, okay? That is a good thing. So you have a 2 regrouped here. Now, let's work it up. Here's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in the tens place. So regroup again, okay? I know 4 and 3 is 7, and 7 more is 14, 15. Put my comma in. And here I know 3 and 5 is 5, so 5 more is 10. Don't forget about this guy, 11. And then just 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 10,000s place. So your correct answer should have been 41,546. Make sure you had all these regroupings done correctly. Okay, look at number 3. On 3, this you had to choose the one that best, I didn't get my slide changed, sorry guys. Number 3, the one that can help you check for reasonableness. The correct answer is C, right here. Okay, because 361,788 would round to 360,000, and 65,000 would round to 70,000. Now, what Tyrone did wrong when you looked at choice D, you should have put something like this. He incorrectly rounded 65,235 to 700,000. He messed up. Rather than to 70,000, where he should have. Okay, so he just rounded it wrong. He thought it was 100,000s when really it was 10,000s. On number 4, the correct answer is C, right here. Okay, so which equation can help you estimate? 59,000 is going to round to 60,000, 22,000 is going to round to 20,000, and 60,000 plus 20,000 is 80,000. So C is the correct answer. On 5, The digit that you should have chosen to fill in that blank should have been B, 5. That is the correct answer. So when you work it out, the number that's missing is a 5. Number 6, it actually had 3 answers. Did you get all 3? You should have chosen A, you should have also chosen C, it still didn't go. There it goes. Okay. And you should have also chosen E. So it had 3 different answers there. When you work them all out, A, C, and E are correct. On number 7, you don't have to fill them in here, guys, as long as you show me the work and it's correct. Okay, so number 7, let's take a look. Do our ones. 5 plus 7 is 12. So put your 2 and regroup. Did you have your regrouping up there? 6 plus 2 plus 1 more is 9. Nothing to regroup there. 1 and 0 is 1, and 1 and 1 is 2. So my answer is 2,192. Our next problem, okay, let's add it up. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus, so no regrouping yet. 6 plus 5 is 11. Here's that regrouping. I was wondering when that was going to come. 1 and 9 is 10, and 2 more is 12. Oh, I got to regroup again. Over the 10,000s. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 and nothing is 1. Put your comma in. 142,119 is the correct answer. And make sure you had to regroup in 2 places. Make sure you have that. Now, this also had another part because we have to estimate to check. So make sure you have your estimate on there also. So this one rounded 130,000 plus 10,000 is 140,000. Okay. Now, number 9 just has you making up a problem. So I'll show you a sample, but have a parent check to see if yours is right, the example that you gave. But here's an example that works. So we want to make sure we don't have to have any regrouping on this, okay? So here's my example. So let's work it out. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 5 and 4 is 9, and 2 and 5 is 7. I didn't have to have any regrouping up top in order to do that, okay? And it also says that I need to explain why. So I could have typed something on my screen that said something about, you know, when I add the digits, each place the sum is less than 10, so I don't have to regroup as long as my sum is less than 10. So when you're coming up with your problem, as long as you didn't have to go over 10 whenever you added, you're going to be good and not have to regroup. Okay, guys, your job now is to go on. There is a worksheet quiz that is attached to the assignment page today. So make sure go on there, do your very, very best, write out your problems on paper, pencil, work them out, and then submit your answers to me. Okay, thanks guys. Have a great day.